Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to view your clipboard history in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are looking to access previously copied items on your Windows 11 computer, there is a simple and effective way to do it. This feature allows you to see everything you have copied to your clipboard, making it easier to retrieve and reuse information. To access the clipboard history, you will need to press two keys simultaneously: the Windows key and the V key. Pressing these keys together will bring up the clipboard interface, where you can view all the items you have copied. Now, it is possible that the clipboard history feature is not enabled by default on your system. If you press Windows plus V and do not see a history, you will likely be presented with an option to turn on history. Simply click on that switch, and from that point forward, every item you copy to your clipboard will be recorded and saved in the history. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of multiple pieces of information that you might need to paste multiple times. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.